In this video, let's talk about how to search up investors through AngelList. If you are a startup, you'll eventually need investors so that they can fund your startup. As AngelList is a platform where investors, specifically venture capitalists, search for startups. Through this platform, you are not able to specifically search for investors, but however, you can create a wish list so that other investors find you out. So in the homepage or on the main dashboard inside venture.angelist.com, make sure you click on build wish list, and it says right here, build your investment wish list will notify you if there is an opportunity. So as you put your data inside of this section, your startup information will be provided inside of AngelList, and investors searching for you can directly contact you, and it is said right here, they will notify you whenever there is an opportunity. So that's pretty much on the way that you search for investors or build your wish list in AngelList. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.